and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Hurricane Melissa's death toll climbs to 44. Storm churns north. Hurricane Melissa's confirmed death toll climbed to 44 on Thursday, according to official reports, after wreaking destruction across much of northern Caribbean and picking up speed as it headed towards Bermuda. Jamaica's information minister told Reuters that at least 19 deaths had been confirmed, but authorities were continuing search and rescue efforts. The storm left hundreds of thousands without power, ripped roofs of buildings, and scattered fields with rubber. Jamaica's military has called on reserve personnel to report for duty to help with relief and rescue operations. Melissa made landfall in southwestern Jamaica on Tuesday as a powerful Category 5 hurricane, the Caribbean nation's strongest ever storm to directly hit its shores, and the first major hurricane to do so since 1988. Wind speeds were well above the minimum level of the strongest hurricanes classification. Forecasters at AccuWeather said it tied in second place for strongest ever Atlantic hurricane on record in terms of wind speed when it struck land. The forecaster estimated $48 billion to $52 billion in damage and economic loss across the Western Caribbean. Authorities in Haiti, which was not directly hit but nevertheless suffered days of torrential rain from the slow-moving storm, reported at least 25 deaths, mostly in southern part of Petit Goâve, where a river burst its banks. A river also caved in and carried off parts of National Highway, local newspaper reported. The road, which had been weakened by last year's Hurricane Beryl, connected to the nearby city of Jacmel. Melissa also hit eastern Cuba, where some 735,000 evacuated, but as of Thursday, no deaths were reported there despite extensive damage to homes and crops. At 8 p.m. GMT, Melissa was a Category 1 storm 409 kilometers southwest of the North Atlantic British Island Territory, where hurricane conditions were expected by nightfall even as Melissa's eye skirts northwest. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.